Hi everybody, welcome back to Master B video. This video will make the explanation for the spare parts that you got from Focus company after you purchase the machine. The Focus will provide some spare parts such as the print head or the ink or the hot melt powder to assist you to get you install the printer. So let's explain each print head one by one. So first, you will get the two Epson print heads. The print head, the quantity and also the model is dependent on your purchasing. The Focus Nebula 62F, it allows you to put the 2 or 4 pieces Epson 4720 print head or Epson i3200 print head. So the print head is brand new from Epson company. And once you get print head, please open it. Be careful. Take out the cover and check the surface is clean and brand new and without damage, and the top ink plug is clean. Then you package back this way. So if you bought two print head, one is for white ink and another one is for color ink. So the two print head you will got from Focus company if you bought. And also this is the ink damper holder. Check it without damage. This two holder is to install on the top of the print head to hold the ink damper for each without damage or without bend. So we got 2 or 4 pieces, depending on your configuration. And you will got the cable buckle. The cable buckle is for fixing the print head cable on the carriage for each print head. Later, Master B will teach you how to install it. Then we open another package. Inside, first is the 8-pin 4x3 print head, the ink tuber. Inside also have the one short 1 meter ink tuber for backup to connect the ink damper for backup. And the big one is for connect from the print head, from the ink damper to the pump to the ink tank. It's also for backup for emergency using. And then is the ink cap station. It's brand new for backup, because if you long time use the printer, the ink cap station will be easy to get dirty, so you can change it or you wash it for cycle using. Then it's one ink pump for backup. And the one cap station connect with the injection to help you to suck the ink the first time from print head. One cap station connect with one injection. This manual cap station to suck the ink out. and 4 ink damper for backup, and some one-way and three-way connectors. And the ink film. And the print head installation screw to install the print head on the carriage. The size is M3x5. And the print head cable. One print head needs 4 cables. When we open it, the print head cable have mark for each cable. Left top, right top, left down and right down. So the cable always mark. So be sure the cable with good, correct connection. And then it's 2 fuse for backup. And the USB flash inside with the control software, RIP software, and the tutorial video. Some information that help you to do the installation and daily using or maintenance. So all the information I put on the USB flash for learning. And also 2 screwdriver. The one for longer, 300 millimeter, and one short screwdriver, 75 millimeter length. Then we open another package. Inside have the syringe injection to help you to load ink from the damper the first time for installation. One colorful, one brand new injection, and the print head clean tissue to clean the print head surface, also clean the cap station, and the RIP software. When we open the package, we'll find their USB flash dongle key. This is the key to insert on the computer for using and installation for the RIP software. And also, for install the machine, we need to prepare the ink that you bought from Focus or others. But we strongly recommend you to take the ink from Focus because different ink have different performance, especially for the color reduction and also for the print quality. Because the ink that match for the neighbor printer is tested before delivery. Different ink require different viscosity and the formula, especially for DTF printing, it requires high density for white ink and a good color for color ink. And also you need to take the hot melt powder that spray on the surface of the film to get the stick on the fabric. So we just open it. The black DTF ink. And cyan DTF ink. The magenta DTF ink. The yellow and white ink. The clean solution to keep wet print head and clean the print head. And also the hot melt powder that spray on the surface of the film. So all of this material consumable you must prepare before we install the machine. And also don't forget, we prepared a screwdriver, one short and one longer, and the wrench and the glove to protect your finger, your hand, without dirty. So after we prepare all of these spare parts and all the consumables are enough, then we can start to install the printer. And also we need to prepare the DTF film that used for the DTF printing. The DTF film have different kind of models, so please be sure you bought the good quality film for printing. The film size, the width is 60 centimeter to put on the Nebula 62F DTF printer. So prepare this before you install the machine.